Hey guys, okay, so here's my tip on finding an interior designer for you. The first thing I would say is first do your research. Not only take a look at their portfolio, maybe ask around if people have worked with the designer before, check their Instagram, their Facebook. You definitely want to see what the designer is capable of doing. I do not believe that that is indicative of all they can do, but I think that'll give you a good starting point for who you're working with. The next thing I think you should do is meet with them in person. Meet with us in person. I think it makes a huge difference, especially the temperament of the designer, because for some projects that are really large, you're going to be with us for a very long time, sometimes months, sometimes over a year. So I think it makes a difference if you like working with the designer. The next thing I think you should do is check to see whether or not they're listening to you. I cannot tell you how often I have heard either a compliment of us listening to our clients, or I've heard something disparagingly about another designer who was not listening. So if they're asking you to repeat yourself one too many times, that might be indicative of something maybe on how they're running their process. Another thing to take a look into is their responsiveness. Are you getting responses from the designer quickly? And it doesn't necessarily have to be in the same day or within the next hour.
Several months later.
But do you feel like when they're responding, it's a good time frame in between when you've asked and when you've requested and when they've given you those answers? I think that makes a huge difference too. Lastly, I think organization. If the designer seems very unorganized, please believe that's probably how they're going to manage the project moving forward. So I feel like those are my best tips to think about when you're thinking about hiring your next designer. I don't know. Let me know if that helps. I do not like that thumb up. What do you think?
I didn't like that though.